What's up, sweathearts? Welcome to tutorial 4, I Ain't Your Mama by Jennifer Lopez. Let's get started. We're going to start nice and easy, walking up to the mirror with that right foot. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to have 3 hops back, bring it up the left knee. 1, 2, 3, step back, 4. Again, walking up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Little ponies back, little hops. Left knee goes up, 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 together. And we step aside, 1, 2, 3, 4, step back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, walking up right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that pony, 1, 2, 3, touch. Facing the front. I'll show the legs first and then the arms. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now it's time to add some arms to that first section. Now, when you walk up to the mirror, the arms are free form. The lyrics are, I ain't gonna be cooking all day, I ain't gonna be picking up your laundry, when are you gonna get your act together? So have fun with that. On the way back, we're just going like this. No, no, no. So we walk up right foot, 3 arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we go to the side, the arms punch out, forward, out, forward, out, forward, out, forward. We go to the side, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then again up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you have a little bounce on that. Facing the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, next section. There's 2 ways to do this. I'll show you the first way, nice and easy. We go out, right, forward, left, back, right, touch, left, left, right, left, right. Now left foot's free to go left, forward, right, back, left, touch, right, to go right, left, right, left. Now here's the tricky part. If you want to add a turn, you go right, left, touch that, right here with that left foot, and we go 4, 3, 2, 1. Same thing to the other side, left, right turn, tap the right, and you go 4, 3, 2, 1. We're also going to add some arms on that. Here, 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 here. Bring them down, here, 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 here. I'll show it facing the front, no arms, and then with arms. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With the turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on that turn, when you get around, you want to keep the weight off of the left foot. So you go 4, 3, 2, 1. Same thing on the other side. Left, right, left, tap the right. You go right, left, right, left. Great. Next part is a little rock step and chasse. We go rock, chasse, rock, chasse, rock, chasse, rock, chasse. Then it goes rock, turn, chasse, rock, turn. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now it's the same step. You just do a half a turn. We go hop here. And again, you're leading with that right foot back. Ba, ba, ba. Left, right, double left. Now the arms, same arm as leg that comes across the body. It hits. Like a little swim. So it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now on the turn, you're still swimming that arm, but the opposite arm is coming around the head. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, if you don't want to do the turn on the second four, then you just do right here. You add the arms, but you stay facing front. Ta ta ta, ta ta ta. Let's see it facing the front. We go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. With the turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what's going to help with that turn is to spot the front. As you go around, your focus goes front. So it's just like a normal chassé. Go around, spot front, near, and chassé. Great. Next section, we're going to slow it down a little bit. Now, instead of the salsa step, which is 1, 2, 3, we're doing pause and in. We go front, front, side, side, front, front, side, side, front, front, pivot turn, and then I'll show you the rest after that. First repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot comes around. 5, 6, 7, 8. We step out right, left, and the right leg comes out, and we have arms. And I'll show you those in a second. So if we go here, first starting with those front, front. The hands are with the wrists and the fingers. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross the wrists, again with the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the hips, again with the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. This big turn, we show up the right hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right hand, right foot. 1, 2. Left side, 3, 4. And we're going to step out that right leg. Opposite arm's going to come across. 5, 6.7, and throw it down and bring the feet together. 8. There's a lot going on there. So we spin around. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm too good for that. I'm too good for that. Hit, point, and throw. See it facing the front. Arms and feet together. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Hit, whip, point, and jump together. To start again. Front. 2, 3, 4. I ain't your mama. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I ain't your mama. To the side. 1, 2, 3. With the bounce. 5, 6, 7. Up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. We have one tiny little part to add. It's a little bridge in the middle. And it's nice and easy. It just goes around slow. Round all the way down. Body roll. Reverse. All the way down. Body roll. Reverse. So when I say body roll, just chest, and then bring the chest back forward with the shoulders. So shoulders back, and around, shoulders back, and around. Building the hamstring stretch here. So facing the front, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's go over all those sections from the top, starting with walk to the front. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Little rock chassé. 1, 2. With that swim arm. 3, 4. Ta, ta. Same thing. We're going to add that turn. 1 spot front. Ta, ta, ta. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pa, pa. Last one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold, hold. Arm, arm. Cross the wrist with those fingers. Down, down at the hips. 1, 2, 3. All around. Hand pushes. We step up. Hit, hit, whip, whip, point, together. Back to the top, walking forward, and back. We go 2 times through, and remember we have that little slow moment in the middle. Down, and top. So that's all the choreography. Let's dance it.